Congratulations, you found a house, you made an offer, it got accepted. Now you're in escrow. What happens next? Home inspections. Oh no, what am I supposed to inspect? What if I find something? Do I have a tape measure? I'm Joey Rockenstein. This is Rockin' Real Estate LA, the channel helping home buyers and sellers get results that rock. The home inspection is a crucial part of the home buying process. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you need to know for home inspections before you sign off on the physical contingency. Let's go. Number 1, are inspections automatically part of every home purchase? No. As a buyer, you must include a home inspection or contingency clause in your purchase agreement. This will let you back out of the contract if the home inspector discovers unexpected problems that you just don't want to deal with. But if you still want this house, and you should still want this house because you took all this time to try to find it, this will allow you to negotiate with the seller in light of any issues that were discovered. This will help you negotiate either credit or negotiating the price down or having the seller make the necessary repairs before you remove the physical contingency. But just keep in mind that yes, you do have to include it in the purchase agreement, but in California residential agreements, it's actually a section for the inspection contingency, and you will write in the number of days that you want to have to conduct your inspections. And then once those inspections are met and you're okay with everything, then you can remove that contingency. But I'll go over contingencies and other things like that in a separate video. Number 2, what is a home inspection? A home inspection is a comprehensive review of all systems, structure, and general health of the home. And this is conducted by a qualified licensed inspector. Now, if there are any issues that may come up from the inspection, this could affect and degrade the value of the home or require immediate near-term repairs. They should be revealed by a professional home inspector. What is included depends on the actual individual inspector, the local municipal codes, and the type of inspection that you did request. Now, what is included in the inspection? Well, the basic home inspection includes visual inspections of the following: the roof, foundations, wood framing, including wood rot, fireplaces, plumbing systems, electrical systems, HVAC, cooling and heating systems, interiors, which includes doors, flooring, ceilings, walls, windows, and also exteriors, everything from siding to windows and doors. And also it includes insulation and ventilation. Now again, they're going to give you a generalized inspection. They're kind of just giving you the overall framework of the condition of the house. Now, if you require a more in-depth inspection or maybe a separate inspection, that could include anything from septic systems or the presence of radon, asbestos, lead, mold, or rodents. And you can also inspect things that include dangers from floods, earthquakes, landslides, and other natural disasters, but that of course is based on the location of the house that you're buying. Number 3, how do I select an inspector? Well, as your agent, I have at least 3 to 4 reputable licensed inspectors that I go to whenever I have a house that's an escrow and I need to have things inspected. But you of course can find your own inspector as well. But I suggest that you do some due diligence. You need to do some research and check out the inspector's qualifications, confirm that they are bonded or insured, and if they meet the requirements to be licensed in your state. You may also want to ask how long they've been in business, if they have any reviews or referrals from past clients that you can look at. And also there are a number of state, national, international, and professional home inspector organizations. So you might want to ask your potential inspector if they happen to belong to any of these. Realize that all states don't require licensing or even specialized training to be a home inspector, which is kind of crazy. So you might want to make sure that your home inspector has the specific training that you would need for whatever you're having inspected in your home. Whatever you do, I would just ask your agent if they can find somebody who's reputable for you, because that's probably the best way to go. Number 4, can I be there for the inspection? Yes, I recommend that you do be there. As your agent, I of course can be there and take care of everything for you, but this is the house that you're buying. You should be there to see if there's anything wrong with the house. And if something does come up, you can be there with the inspector to ask questions on the spot and find out what needs to be done. Inspectors can also offer guidance on how to properly maintain a home system, which is always helpful for a new buyer. I mean, you want to see how things work in the house. You might see light switches or a light and not know how to turn it on. The inspector is looking for these things and he can help you figure out how to use your house. And that kind of sounds weird. It's like trying to figure out how to use your new iPhone, but a house is new and you want to know where everything is. And that's what the inspector is there for, to kind of give you a guided tour of everything that goes on with the house so you can know how to do these things. And be sure to take notes, and so you can review things later and potentially share with the seller, even though the inspector is going to write up a comprehensive report and he's going to send that to you and your agent, and you can use that to show the seller what's wrong with the house so you can get accurate estimates for any repairs and or credits that you're looking to get, which is actually the second round of negotiations in the escrow process. Number 5, what if the house I want fails the inspection? House, you failed! Didn't you study? Just to be clear, a house inspection is an evaluation. It's not a test, which means that a house can't fail an inspection. It's a way to reveal any issues or potential issues that may negatively impact a buyer prior to completing a sale. So if there are a bunch of things that are wrong with the house, you may just want to say forget it, or if you still want to go all in, this is the leverage that you're going to use to try to negotiate a lower price and or credits on the house. It's also intended to ensure both the buyer and the seller are in mutual agreement in regarding the condition of the property that is changing hands. So you guys are both on the same page as far as what is wrong with the house. The seller is saying, yes, these things are wrong with the house, and the buyer is agreeing to those things being wrong with the house, and the deal is going to go through. To sum it up, inspections are a necessary part of the home sale. But one more thing I'd like to add as a little bonus, you're welcome, is that inspections are normally paid for by the buyer, okay? The buyer pays for the inspection, no matter what kind of inspection you have. Even if it's just the general inspection, or if you want to have more in-depth or other inspections like I talked about before, like a septic tank inspection, or you want to do more in-depth of a chimney inspection or mold inspection, which I actually recommend doing all those inspections. It's better to pay for those things so you know exactly what's going on with the house before you decide to sign off on the physical contingency, because those things are so important to know about, okay? So if you guys have any questions about inspections, do me a favor, leave them in the comments below and I will answer you back. And I love getting comments anyway, so comment away. Also, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you found this video not helpful, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, click that little fun notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. New videos go up every week, and I hope they've been helping you guys. I'm Joey Rockenstein. This is Rockin' Real Estate LA. Results that rock.